Prepare tools. Check parts of table. Loose screw. Prepare part 1. Set up part 1. Prepare part 2. Loose screw. Set up part 2. Prepare part 3. Set up part 3. Prepare part 4. Set up part 4. Prepare part 5. Loose screw. Set up part 5. Put PVC patch on ground. Prepare part 6. Insert the part 6 into PVC belt. Loose long screws at each side. Fix the roller. Loose screws at each side. Prepare part 7. Set up part 7. Prepare part 8. Loose screws at each side. Set up part 8. Prepare part 9. Loose screws at each side. Set up part 9. Prepare part 10. Loose screw. Set up part 10. Take up the tape. Insert it into speed reducer. Tighten up 5 screws. Prepare part 11. Set up part 11. Prepare part 12. Set up part 12. Prepare part 13. Set up part 13. Prepare part 14. Set up part 14. Adjust tension of the belt on both sides at the same time. Loose screw. Start to install tram. Get tram through the hole. Take out the special tram. Find the screw. Point the screw a little towards the table. Put the tram on the grill. Move tram towards table. Install the small piece of tram back. Tighten up tram and screws. Check if tram is tight enough. Prepare part 16. Loose screws out. Set up part 16. To horizontal calibration. Tighten up all screws. Connect machine with an air compressor. Adjust pressure to be 3 or 4 kgs. Remove the sponger. The cables are for 380 voltage 3-phase power. Install neutral wire. Look up 3 left wires. Install the earth wire. Now everything is set up.